in order to open up, to really pull our posture back, we really need to start to strengthen some of these interscapular muscles. So the YTW exercise is a great exercise for that. So what the heck is a YTW exercise? So literally it means Y, T, and then W, because those are the positions which you're going to put your arms in, and that's going to help us strengthen some of these upper back interscapular muscles. So the first one is Y. So literally you take your arms from here and you're just going to pull them back like this, and you're contracting in this area through here. So you're literally squeezing that area as you do that. That's the Y portion, because my arms are up like a Y. I'm going to hold that for about 2 or 3 seconds, and I'm going to come back towards neutral. I'm going to rotate my thumbs out this time, and I'm going to make a T. And again, I'm going to squeeze my arms or squeeze my shoulder blades together in the back to really squeeze some of those interscapular muscles. I'm going to hold this again for about 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. Going to come back towards neutral, and then I'm going to bring my arms back like this. So I'm bringing them back into a row, and then I'm bringing them up like this. So I'm rotating them back. With this one, you really feel it. So again, I'm going to squeeze this position through here. I'm going to hold it 3 to 5 seconds, and then I'm going to let that go. I'm going to try to do each one of those movements about 5 times. About 5 times, again, holding it 3 to 5 seconds. So this does not take a lot of time, but it's a great exercise to really target all of those specific muscles in your upper and mid back area. The upper fibers, the middle fibers, and then really getting the middle and lower fibers with that W. It's going to take you time to really start to open this up. Some of those postural patterns, postural habits, they've been literally forming for years, so take your time with this. You want to try to do this minimum once per day, ideally twice a day, even better. Take your time with it. Shouldn't be painful, but just work with it over time and your posture will start to change.